Sure. There are certain things that we have to keep in mind, certain terminologies. We have words like diet, we have words like meal, we have word like food, and we have nutrients, right? How can we explain these terms? When we talk about diet, we say that diet is number of meals that you take in a day, right? We talk about meal. Meal is the prepared food, right? Is a prepared food that one consumes at a time, right? Let's say breakfast. Breakfast you take breads and eggs. Then in lunch you take, let's say, rice and beef. Then in supper you have tea and, let's say, any confectionery. And then in dinner you take, let's say, uh, rice and something or with it, maybe vegetables. So you are taking four meals in a day. The number of meals that you're taking in a day is your diet. Meal is a prepared food. Food is what? The raw and edible things, right? And what is nutrient? Chemical substances, chemical substances found in food. Chemical substances found in food that help body to perform its functions. That, or rather, you can say that help cells, more specifically, to perform its functions. Nutrients can include carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, minerals, water. We're going to see all of them. When we talk about examples, we have carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, water, minerals, and we have fiber, minerals and ions, and vitamins. These are the examples of nutrients These are the example of nutrients that we generally come across, and we are going to be studying about. Okay. Are you able to write them down?
जी.
All right. When we talk about nutrients generally, when we talk about need for food, there are certain things that we have to keep in mind. There are two type of organisms: autotrophs and hetero. Autotrophs are organisms that they can make their own food. They can make their own food, and what else? By what? By photosynthesis. And food, why do we consume food? Food is required to provide us with the nutrients. So they can make their own food. It means they can fulfill their nutrient, they can fulfill their demand of nutrients by themselves. Heterotrophs are the ones that rely upon autotrophs for food. Like humans, animals, they cannot make their own food. They need to consume other organisms, and all of those links leading to autotrophs. In general, they need to acquire energy that is being passed forward by the autotrophs. The nutrients that are being passed forward by the autotrophs, right?